Let's be real. Sometimes we all need a little help finding calm in the chaos. And what better way to create that soothing atmosphere than with the power of adaptive and a few amazing diffuser blends.
Today, we're sharing 6 simple, calming diffuser blends that you can try at home. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day, set the tone for a relaxing evening, or just keep the vibe peaceful during a busy morning, these blends have you covered.
What are your thoughts on adaptive?
I love it.
It's one of your babies.
Yeah.
Yes.
Go-to, tried and true blend. It combines incredible oils from citruses to florals to woods. It really keeps you grounded while supporting those kind of more hectic times in your life that you might run into.
I agree. Adaptive is huge in my household. We use all the forms of it, especially in the diffuser. And I think adaptive in the diffuser smells like bubblegum.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, it just has this like really lovely, but yet like softness to it. And so we love putting adaptive in our diffuser. We use it every single day. My kids use it. We put it on our wrists here. We use the roll-on. We take the capsules, and it's our favorite product.
I love that. I love the roll-on, easy on the go, apply to your children. It's so great. And then diffusing it, like just breathing it in right now, it's so serene. I love the adaptive blend.
Well, thanks for making it and helping create it, and just be part of the team that brought it forward. I love that so much. Thank you.
Absolutely. And I'm excited to see what you guys create and how you incorporate these new DIY blends into your life.
Perfect.
It'll be fun.
Let's do it.
Breathe in, relax, reset. With just a few drops, you can transform any space into a calming oasis. Today, we're making 6 beautiful diffuser blends featuring adaptive. Let's get blending. Easy like Sunday morning. Start your morning with a breath of sunshine. For this blend, we're using the Rome diffuser. Add 3 drops of adaptive and 2 drops of tangerine for a bright, uplifting aroma to ease into the day. Breathe easy. Need a moment to reset? In the Laluz diffuser, add 2 drops of adaptive, 2 drops of eucalyptus, and 1 drop of cardamom. This fresh, clearing blend is perfect for deep breaths and relaxation. Just be. Take a pause and just be. For this blend, we're using the Dawn diffuser. Add 2 drops of adaptive, 2 drops of frankincense, and 3 drops of bergamot, It's grounding, peaceful, and perfect for mindfulness. Balanced bedtime. Unwind and settle in for the night with this dreamy blend. In the Pebble Diffuser, add 3 drops of adaptive and 2 drops of serenity. The perfect way to relax before bed. Sometimes you just need a hug. For this blend, we're using the Volo Onyx Diffuser. Add 2 drops of adaptive, 3 drops of console, and 1 drop of wild orange. This warm, comforting aroma will wrap you in a sense of peace. 3 p.m. pick-me-up. Feeling that afternoon slump? Try this energizing blend in the Volo Marble Diffuser. Add 2 drops of adaptive, 3 drops of eucalyptus, and 1 drop of spearmint for a fresh, invigorating boost. No matter the moment, there's an adaptive blend to match. Which blend will you try first? Share your favorites in the comments.
See how easy it is to create a calm atmosphere? These blends are just the beginning, and there are so many ways to customize them and make them your own.
Now it's your turn. Try one of these blends or mix it up on your own and share it with us in the comments. We'd love to hear how you're using Adaptive and how you're bringing a little peace into your day.
Now, if you haven't experienced Adaptive yet, it's time to give it a try. Order today and start creating your calm one drop at a time.
And don't forget, subscribe wherever you're listening so you never miss out on episodes like this. We've got more fun, science, and inspiration coming your way.
Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep blending, keep relaxing, and keep making your space a place of peace.